Hello, this is Rosani. Welcome to the first part of my creature camp. We're going to start with flamingos. These are fun projects to work indoors or outdoors, for individuals or a group. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Here I am using newspaper and masking tape over a wooden bamboo skewer, just to be able to handle it a little bit better. And I'm taping it and pressing it into shape. There's no wire, it's just newspaper. Moving right along, we have my Stay Flow liquid starch, which is my favorite liquid adhesive medium to use. I'm not sponsored by it, but I just love to use it. And I'm going to dip the paper into it each and every time and apply over the surface of the newspaper. And you see me working with copier paper. I use leftover waste paper instead of throwing it away. So you'll see me using the white as a base and also a paper napkin. My favorite type of napkin is one found in restaurants. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will be glad to answer them for you. Moving right along with the pink color. I'm going to be doing both sides. So this is just where I started on one side. But we do have to cover the newspaper up completely with a base coat of white. So once we do one side, we do the next side. This is a much better example. You can see where it's really nicely covered. And then I use this black tissue, which is available during Halloween. It's gift tissue, but I also collected from shoe boxes. I just wanted you to know that since there is no wire in this, you have to press it into shape. And you will see how I do that. Just press and squeeze and it will dry in place. You could always go back and adjust it any way that you want the neck to be. and then we just let it dry. Thank you for watching.